Hello there! Welcome back to our tech tutorials, where we make challenging processes smooth for you. Today we have a special tutorial on how to zoom in and zoom out in CapCut using a desktop. So, let's get started. First up, launch your CapCut app. To start a fresh project, just tap on the New Project option right here. You're going to need a video to work with, so let's go ahead and add one. Just click here on Import and select the video you want to edit. Now take that selected video, hold it, and then drag it to the track, just like this. Now the video is ready. Let's get to the zooming part. Find the white line and place it at the point where you want your video to start zooming. For this tutorial, let's set it at 0.5 seconds. Now look at the position and size panel on the right. See these diamond-shaped icons? We'll be using these for our zoom effect. Click the first diamond icon to set a marker on the editing track. You'll need 4 diamond markers set up in total. Having placed all 4 diamonds, click the second and third diamonds and set the scale to more than 100%. For this tutorial, we'll use 160%. Leave the first and fourth diamonds at 100%. And that's all it takes. Look how it turns out in the preview. Now, if you want the zooming effect to be faster, simply bring the first and second diamonds closer to each other, and do the same with the third and fourth diamonds. To do that, you'll need to delete either the first or second diamond, and then create a new one closer to the other. The same process applies to the third and fourth diamonds, and there you have it. And that, dear viewers, is how you create a smooth zoom in and zoom out effect in CapCut. Again, for a faster zoom, bring your diamonds closer. For a slower zoom, spread them out. Remember, practice makes perfect, so give this a go and get creative with your videos. That concludes our tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you at the next video.